Alright, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1.
What scenery can you see from the window of your room?
Well, from the window of my room, I only see the buildings and some homes in front of my house. So I don't have a very good scenery from my window, but usually the birds are chirping and we have put some water and food for them. So I love to see them when they come and drink water from that.
Yeah, so
Moreover,
to answer, that's it. To answer your question and now
answer-
conclude your answer.
yeah.
So,
Uh,
to answer
So
your
to
question,
answer
from
your
the window
question,
of my house, I
on the
can
window
see.
of my home, I only have this beautiful
In
view.
part 1, if you go beyond 4-5 sentences, examiner will interrupt you. So
Okay.
just answer 5-6 sentences,
finish
that's gonna be
them.
fine. Yes.
Do you like to watch the scenery from your window?
Yes, I mostly love to watch the scenery. In my free time, I sit there and I make some coffee for me and read novels and watch the scenery because it just freshens my mind and make me ready for the next part of my day.
Okay, that's right. It freshens my mind and makes me ready. Good. Next.
Do you want to live in a house with a beautiful window view?
Definitely, yes. I would love to live in a house in a future with a beautiful window view because it will enhance my mind and it will make my day good. Because I'm a person who
Who loves to?
I'm a person who loves to connected with the nature, and I
Who loves to get
who
connected?
loves to get connected with the nature. So in the future, I would love to have such good view from my
Good.
home.
Your pronunciation is good. Even your fluency is better. Just few grammatical mistakes. And don't forget to give one sentence conclusion at the
Conclusion
end.
sentence.
And don't start any long answer. Then you'll be
Okay.
interrupted by
so
the
we know
examiner.
we don't have to wait for the teacher to stop us.
No,
We
not in part 1.
Not in
That
part
is
one.
only in part 2.
Okay, we
For
all
part 1, coordinate with the examiner. Look into the eyes of examiner, and they will say, "That's it. That's
Okay.
it. That's it." Like that. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.